Okay, so good day. So this will be an incremental video. Okay, so this time I will give you some tips on solving differential equations. Actually, this is not this is the a common way in order to solve differential equation. Okay, so una, kapag may differential equation ka, so i-identify mo the solution. Okay, the type of DE and the type of DE you are solving. Okay, so first, ang una mong i-test, okay, uh, you are solving, okay, and then try, okay, identify the type of DE you are solving and try, okay, from the simplest one, okay, from simplest to, okay, to relatively to more complex solutions. Okay, so paano ko to okay, so maybe iba yung itinuro sa inyo ng ibang teacher, pero sa akin ito yung ginagawa ko. Una, okay, so identify the type of DE you are solving. Try from simplest to more complex type of solution. Type of DE as solution. Okay, so paano ba tong type of DE? So from the level of difficulty na pataas, so magsimula ka if sa simula, which is identify mo una kung variable separable DE ba siya o differential equation ba siya. Okay, so kapag hindi, proceed. Okay, try mo siya i-separate yung variable kung masolve ba siya. Hindi. So kung hindi, proceed ka. Exact differential equation, exact DE. Okay. So, itinry mo kung exact DE ba siya. Okay, so ano mo siya, ma-identify mo siya by using this. Okay, so alam niyo naman kung ano yung M at saka yung N. So, kapag pumasa sa dapat equal. Okay? Yung M mo, okay, so in terms of M of X, M of M, magiging M XY dx siya plus N of XY dy equal 0. Kung hindi na-satisfy to, so hindi siya exact DE. So proceed ka. Okay? Kapag hindi siya exact DE, dapat homogeneous. So, tanungin mo, ano nga ba yung homogeneous? All terms has equal degree. Okay, equal degree ba lahat? Kapag hindi equal degree, okay, pass. Punta ka sa mas mahirap, yung first order, okay, linear, first order differential equations. Okay, so identify mo kung may px ba, qx, okay, then apply the integrating factor. Okay, kung hindi, py, qy, or iy. Okay, yan yung tandaan mo. Okay, kapag hindi pa rin, proceed to number 5. Okay, so proceed to number 5. Yung last, Bernoulli's equation, DE, differential equation. So kapag ganyan, meron kang px, qx, ix, tsaka may n ka. Kasi may y to the power of n kapag na-identify mo yon. So, kapag hindi pa rin na-solve ni Bernoulli's DE, doon ka na mag-number 6. Okay? Extend pa natin number 6. So, last but not the least, number 6 will be your substitution methods. Okay, so into which we are yet to discuss this. Okay, ito yung pinaka mahaba at maraming paraan ng pag-solve. Okay, so yan yung para natin ng pag-solve. Una, identify, try mo muna yung differential equation kung variable separable ba siya. Next is identify mo kung exact differential equation ba siya. Okay, kung nakapasa na siya kay variable separable, okay, yun na yung solution mo. Kung hindi, exact DE. Okay? Kung exact DE siya, ay kung hindi siya variable separable, baka exact DE. Solve mo. Okay? When you try to solve, hindi siya exact kasi hindi nag-equate to the partial differential of m with respect to y, hindi equal kay partial differential of n with respect to x. So proceed. Homogeneous ba siya? All terms has equal degree? Kung hindi, try mo kung linear first order DE ba siya. Kung hindi pa rin, baka Bernoulli siya. At kung last, yun na yung sinabi ko na substitution methods. And then, believe it or not, may mga differential equations na hindi talaga nasosolve. Okay? May variable separable ay may differential equations na hindi masolve in all of these 6 methods. So, pwede matakal nyo yan kapag nag-master's degree na kayo. Okay, so let's have, okay, so maybe let's have an example. Okay. Kuha tayo ng example number 1. Okay. Okay, so try natin. Ito. Okay. Example number 1. Anong gagawin natin? Una, identify natin kung variable separable ba siya. Variable separable ba to? Try natin. You have x squared dy and y dx. Okay, kailangan makuha yung okay. So sa tingin ko, pwede nating ilipat dito si x squared dito at ilipat natin si y dito. Okay? So what would I do is, okay, i-divide ko siya kay x squared. So magiging dy dito at magiging y over y dx x squared dito sa kabila. Ano pa? Pwede ko rin i-divide itong magkabila by y para mawala yung y dito. So magiging dy dito at magiging dx over x squared dito. Okay? So pwede ko na palang i-integrate. So therefore, it is a variable separable. So ito magiging ln of absolute value of x. Ito magiging, ano to siya eh? X to the negative 2 dx. Okay, so magiging, okay, negative 2 plus 1. So magiging x, negative x to the negative 1 plus c. Or negative 1 over x plus c. So magiging ito yung sagot niya. So this is a variable separable. DE siya. Okay? So this is a variable separable differential equation. So kapag na-solve mo na sa variable separable, huwag ka nang pumunta dito. Okay? So parang hierarchy siya. Okay? Okay, so maybe let's have another example. Okay, yan. Anong gagawin natin? Try natin kung separate ba natin yung variables. Okay. So, nakita nyo, may x. X dito, may x din dito. Okay. I-factor out natin si x. I-factor out natin si x para ma-simplify. Equation to eh. Pwede nyo gawin yung gusto nyo. Okay? Okay? Na-factor out ko na yung x para ma-simplify yung solution. So, nakita nyo naman. Okay? Pwede pa nating i-divide by 2. So, magiging x dy plus 2y dx. Okay. So, pwede nating ilipat dito. Magiging negative y dx siya. So, anong mangyayari? I-cross divide ko. Magiging 2y. Okay? Negative 2y dito. Okay? Saka maging dx x. Okay? So, please take note of my term. Nag-cross divide ako. Okay pa? Similar sa cross multiplication. Itong negative 2y, ilipat ko dito sa ibaba. Itong x, ilipat ko doon sa ibaba. Okay? So, you can integrate. So, therefore, magiging negative 1/2 to, negative 1/2 ln of y is equal to ln of x plus c. So, this is already an acceptable solution. Pwede nyo yung i-simplify. So, yan yung sagot ko. Pwede na to. Pwede nyo rin i-simplify. Okay, so instead of this, okay, so variable si parable pa rin siya. So, hindi na tayo mag-proceed dun sa iba. So, magiging, okay, negative 1/2 ln of y plus ln of x plus c. Okay. Please take note, okay? So, magiging using the saan ang tawag dyan? Using the properties of natural logarithm, pwede to siya, okay? So, what if pwede natin itong gawing ln of c? Okay? Constant pa rin kasi yan eh. Okay? So, anong gawin mo sa constant? I-multiply mo ng 1 million, i-divide mo ng 1 million, constant pa rin siya. So, you can also put it inside the ln. So, magiging okay? So, magiging kasi yung nasa labas, magiging power. Ito, addition of two natural logarithm to eh, ln. So, magiging, ano siya, okay. Magiging low, okay, hindi na siya, naubusan ako ng tinta, okay, y to the negative 1/2 plus ln x times c, so cx. So, therefore, magiging y to the negative 1/2 is equal to cx. Okay, pwede rin itong solution. Pwede na rin ito. Pwedeng ito yung solution, no? Pwedeng ito, okay? So, you can, okay, so you can, yan. So this is our second example, second example na to. Yan. So, next, maybe we will have another type of problem. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay? So, let's have our third example. So, maybe similar dun sa example number 2 pero with a twist. Yan. Okay. So, first, anong unang gagawin? I-identify muna natin. Baka variable separable DE siya. Okay? So, may commonality ba sa kanila? Constant to eh. May constant siya na 5. May 4xy plus 5, 2dx. Okay? So, walang dy. Sorry. Dapat may dy to. Okay? Ikaw ganyan. Okay? So, x, walang x dito. Y, walang y dito. Okay, so pwede ba silang magkapalit? Na ma-separate natin sa x and y? Try natin. Okay. Hindi pwede, no? Kasi ito hindi siya pwede. Okay? So with using different types of algebraic manipulation, hindi mo to ma-solve. Hindi to ma-solve using variable separable DE. So hindi pwede. Okay. Okay, so proceed tayo. Exact differential equation ba siya? So, identify natin kung exact differential equation ba siya. So, hindi siya variable separable. So, proceed tayo. Exact DE ba siya? Hindi natin alam. So, sa exact DE, kailangan nating alamin kung nasan si M at sa si N. So, obviously, si M to at si N to. So, as it is said, dapat i-differentiate mo si M with respect to Y is equivalent siya kay N with respect to X. Okay. So kapag, okay, so si M natin is ito. Si N natin is ito. So, M is 4xy plus 5. So, 4xy plus 5. So, ano? Okay. So, kapag ganito, exact differential equation ay partial differential equation. So, dapat yung variable natin is si y lang. So, si x is i-treat natin siya as constant. Okay, so so magiging ano to? 4x. Kasi si 5 constant siya, so i-differentiate mo siya, magiging 0. Okay, so hindi medyo malabo. Okay, so nauubusan na ako ng tinta. Okay, so ganyan. So, next is N. With respect to X. So, 2x squared siya, Y. Okay? So, dito kasi, dinifferentiate natin, partial differentiation, with respect to X. So, si Y, gawin natin constant. So, matanggal na si Y dito. So, 2x squared differentiate ni si 2x squared kasi constant lang si y, so magiging okay? So, tama ba yung ginawa natin? So, 2x squared y magiging 4xy. So, hindi pa rin sila equal. So, therefore, hindi siya exact DE. Okay, next scenario. Homogeneous ba siya? Okay? So, ma-identify mo kaagad kung homogeneous if and only if, okay? So, if and only if lahat ng terms niya is of the same degree. Okay. So, dito, ang degree ni 4xy is 2. Kasi x may 1 siya eh. Ito, 0. Kasi constant siya. Itong 2x squared y, wala. Ay, 2. Ito 1. So, magiging 3. So, hindi pwede. Magkaiba sila ng degree. So, hindi siya homogeneous. X pa rin siya. Okay. So, third, baka linear first order DE siya. Ano yung linear first order DE? Is either ito, may PX, QX at may IX, may PY, QY at IY. Try natin. So, paano natin? So, dapat, unang gawin natin is, i-arrange natin siya na may dy over dx. So, ito, magiging 2x squared y dy. Okay? So, i-interchange ko sila para ma-identify ko kung pwede ba siyang ma-apply ng linear first order differential equation. Okay? So, 2x squared y dy over dx plus 4xy plus 5 equals 0. So, dapat maging dy over dx to siya. Divide natin ito by 2x squared y. So, anong magiging resulta niyan? Magiging ano siya? 4xy over 2x squared y, matanggal si x. So, magiging 2 over x siya plus 5 over 2x squared y. Hindi. Hindi siya pwede dito. Okay. So, try natin is py. Yung dapat may py. So, dapat maging dx over dy. So, hindi pwede. So, hindi pa tayo tapos kay linear first order DE. Itong first option, hindi pwede. What if second option? What if second option? Baka pwede siya py. Pwede siya py. Okay, so, instead of dy over dx, baka pwede siyang dx over dy. So, maging dx over dy siya. Yung nauna. So, i-divide ko muna by dy. So, magiging 4xy plus 5 dx over dy plus 2x squared y. Okay, nawala, dinivide ko ng dy, so magiging ganyan na. Okay, so, anong gagawin? So, para maging dx over dy yung nauna, magiging ganito na rin siya. Okay, 2x squared y over 4xy plus 5. Okay, is equal to 0. Sure ba to? So, walang kasamang constant dito. So, paano natin ipupuno, okay? So, maybe I will add, okay, hindi pa rin. So, hindi siya PY. Kasi may fraction eh. Okay? And then, one thing, posible hindi rin siya Bernoulli. Kasi hindi nga natin nakuha eh. Doon kay linear DE, pag nakita natin na merong y over n, okay, pag na-arrange mo to in terms na merong x, okay, kasi mayroong x to the y to the power of n or x to the power of n nakatabi ni qx, saka mo lang masabi na Bernoulli's DE siya. Okay, so ito, none of the above. So, ibig sabihin, this differential equation might not could be possibly answered with all these with all of these 5 methods. So, maybe in the substitution method. So, nais ko lang ituro sa inyo na may differential equations talaga na hindi mo ma-solve with all these ordinary steps we have previously discussed. Okay? Okay. So, maybe, try natin ng iba for example. Okay, so one thing is, maybe, i-change ko lang ng konti itong formula. So, tanggalin ko to si y. So, gawin kong 2x squared dy siya. Okay. So, try natin ha. So, what if kapag ganito? Tinanggal ko lang si y dito sa kabila. Kasi, I thought, baka mali yung kodigo ko. Nakita ko mali. So, dapat walang y to. Okay. Try natin, variable separable DE. Variable separable ba siya? 2x squared katabi ni dy. Pwede natin sigurong ilipat dito. Okay? So, for xy plus 5. Okay? Plus 2x squared dy. Okay? I-divide ko si dx. Equal 0. Okay? So, maging dy over dx is equal to, ilipat ko doon, maging 4xy plus 5 over 2x squared. Okay? Pwede ba? Hindi siya ma-divide. So, hindi rin sa variable separable. So, next. Anong gagawin natin? Identify natin siya kung exact DE ba siya. Okay. So, try natin yung exact DE naman. Okay? We have first partial derivative of n with respect to y. It should be equal to partial differential of n with respect to x. So, ito yung m natin. Saka ito yung n natin. Okay. So, si m, i-differentiate natin with respect to y. So, 4xy plus 5. So, kasi din-differentiate mo with respect to y, si x magiging constant. Si y lang yung variable. So, magiging 4x to. Okay? Tatanggal si y. Itong si 5, 0 yung differential na. So, sa differential of n with respect to x, try natin. Baka, okay. So, si x yung variable natin. So, wala namang y. So, 2x squared, 2 times 2, 4. X, 2 minus 1 is x to the power of 1. So, therefore, this is exact differential equation. Okay? So, kasi equal silang dalawa. So, dahil equal silang dalawa, exact DE siya, huwag ka nang pumunta dun sa 3, 4, 5. Dito ka na. Kasi solvable na pala. by exact differential equations. Okay. So, here, yan. Dito natin to. So, okay. So, naalala nyo yung so, dapat yung solution kasi exact TE siya. Yung next nating i-proceed is i-integrate natin si MXY, si M dx. Okay? At i-compare natin sa integral ni N xy dy. Okay? And then, i-collect natin yung equivalent terms nila. Okay? So, integral of 4xy plus 5 dx is equivalent to, integrate mo lang, so 2x squared y, okay? Squared over 2, maging over 2, so 2x squared y plus 5x plus f1 of x of y. And then, you integrate n, ito yung n natin, 2x squared. Okay? So, 2x squared dy, so magiging 2x squared y plus f2xy. Okay. So, parang similar lang sila. Okay, so you just collect. Okay, so therefore, ang f1xy is something that exists on the integral of n na wala dito. So, si f1 natin wala. Walang nag-i-exist dito, nag-i-exist dito na wala dito sa kay m. So, the f1xy is 0. So, si f2 x of and y, may nag-i-exist ba dito kay n, ay kay m na wala kay n? Just like the other way around, okay? So, dito kasi, yung f1xy equals 0 kasi walang nandito na wala dito. Dito kay f2 x of y, may nag-i-exist dito na 5x dun sa kabila. So, equivalent siya kay 5x. Yan. So, the other way around is i-equal nyo na lang, no? So, dapat may plus c to, plus c dito. So, therefore, yung general solution natin is i-collect nyo yung lahat ng may common sa integral of m, integral of n. So, yung sagot natin is 2x squared y plus 5x. So, simply f1xy is 0 and f2xy is 5. So, yan na lang. Yan na yung i-connect natin. So, plus c is equal to 0. So, yan yung ano natin. Yan yung sagot. Okay? So, the other way around na pag-solve is i-collect nyo lang yung lahat ng terms na nag-i-exist on both this one. Okay? Kung, for example, may 5x dito, wala dito, so, i-kopya mo. So, kung meron lang dito na term na wala doon, so, i-collect mo lang and give and write them all plus the constant. So, 2x squared y plus 5x plus c is equal to 0. So, therefore, na-solve natin yung problem number 4. Okay. Okay? So, maybe, dito muna ang video natin. Okay? So, we will have maybe a second part to this. Okay? Tips on solving differential equations. So, please see those second video. As soon as I have finished recorded it and uploaded it here in my channel. Okay? So, dyan muna tayo.